Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Flutter Coding 101. In today's video, we are going to be seeing how we can make an analyze AI. Alright, this application is basically a data to text converter. Earlier we had seen text to text converter. We had built a chat GPT application. We had also seen how to convert text to image using the stability AI. We made an image generator. Now this is basically you will be passing some data. It could be of any form. It could be a PDF file, an audio file, image file, or a video, and you would be asking the AI to analyze or make some assumptions or upon the data that you give, and you would be passing in different prompts. So these are the 7 different mini apps you can say that I have made over here, and I'll be explaining them to you one by one. So the first is a book summarizer wherein you would be uploading. So a lot of us are uh, we love reading books, right? So before reading a book, we want to know a little bit about it. We want a summary of the book. So you can find ebooks anywhere. So there's a website named archive.org wherein you can find PDFs of books or ebooks or any such thing, and you can upload that file over here, and it will generate a small summary. I have a book, Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Okay, I want a summary of this book. So now that it has uploaded the book, you can see it is showing file uploaded successfully. And now I'll click on this summarize book. All right. Now let me explain. Meanwhile, it is generating the response. I'll be explaining you what I have done here. So in this book summarizer, the first thing that we do over here is okay, we are picking the file, right? So for that we are using a file picker. So we are declaring the file over here. The platform file is the type of the file, and this is my API key for Gemini, and there's a text. Okay, so and there is an is loading variable which is I've set as false, so it would turn true when the prompt is generated. Until then, the circular progress indicator will keep loading. Now there is this pick file method that I have declared, in which I have declared a result, okay, which is the file picker result, and here I am asking it to pick files, and then if it's not null, in this file I'll be storing the single file that I have picked. All right, and then here, as you can see, there's a dotted border over here, for which I have used the widget dotted border. So you can see we need to use the dotted border widget for this, and I have also used the file picker. So you need to add these two inside your pubspec.yml. Here in my pubspec.yml, you can see I have added the Flutter flipkart, custom sliding, segmented control, dotted border, Google generative AI, mime, file picker, and image picker. All right. So here you can see I have used the dotted border with a dash pattern, the color of the border, what would be the type of the border, the radius, the padding that I would be using, what would be the width of my stroke. And inside that I have used a size box, inside which I have used a gesture detector, in which I'm calling the pick file method. All right. Now, whenever I do pick a file, okay, so I'm checking over here if my file is null or not. If it's not null, I will be showing that upload a book and the gesture detector. Otherwise, if it is uploaded, I will be showing the text that file is uploaded successfully. And then over here I have made a button named summarize book. Okay, and in this button, when I press on the button, it will check if my file is null or not. If it's null, I will be passing I'll be showing a snack bar which will say that select the file. Otherwise, if it is not null, my is loading will be set to true, so the circular progress indicator will stop, as you can see, and there's a card that would be shown which will have my response inside it. So here I'm initializing the model, the API key. I have basically integrated Gemini. If you haven't checked out my video on how to integrate Gemini, I'll be linking that in the description as well. You can check it out. Now inside my system instruction, I'm giving the prompt. So here I have given the prompt that you are a professional book summarizer, summarize the following book content clearly and concisely, and so on. So this is my whole prompt that I have given to the AI, and I have mentioned that this should be my output format. There should be the title, the author, the genre, summary, key takeaways, lessons, ideal for who and who, the memorable quotes, and so on. So here in my response, all right, so there is a model.generate content. So here I'm generating the content, and inside content I have used multi because this is a multi content. Okay, and inside data part I'm using the lookup mime. So for this lookup mime, you have to add the package mime inside your pubspec.yml. So what this does is it looks up the type of the mime, the file type, and it will pass in the type of the file. Okay, and the second thing that you have to pass in this data part is bytes. So this file, I would be reading it as bytes, and I would be passing these two things inside the data part, and then the response would be generated. I will be showing that inside a card, and this is some basic styling that I have used over here. So this is a basic book summarizer application that I just showed you. On the similar lines,